Yo yo yo! What's up, man? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jerodix TV. Yes, here we go again for today's video, guys. We were going to react another Manipur hip hop music, and it was performed by our famous rapper there, or hip hop singer JKR. And the title of this hip hop music, guys, is My Story. And of course, he is the one who upload this music video, and he is also the owner of this music video. Alright, so the one who requests this Manipur hip hop music, guys, is Tai Pai. So thank you so much, Tai Pai, for this request. So before we start, guys, make sure that you are subscribing my channel, and please don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my channel. So without further ado, guys, let's get now and watch this video. My Story, JKR, DJ Dibian, Imi Mahingay. Hey bro, JKR.
Brought to the wall, I think mom and dad.
Oh my
got me innocent, you know
this
what is that? Born in a middle family.
This is what I'm waiting,
everybody
guys.
got a dream plan and an
Performance, guys.
No doubt what the world got
so
me that look.
cool,
School
very
days were the
hyper,
best with a
boys.
notebook. I get my all, I was the best in the class. Time goes fast, running as I did match. Met a teacher when I was in something. Can't my homie out, cause we been going. Everybody looking, give me credit laugh. I feel like I was. Don't give a fuck, no, do I have a luck? It was a promise, I guess, cause I feel blessed. Did what I love and I didn't flex. Now I don't give a fuck, cause I feel fucking blessed. I'm blessed, I'm blessed, I'm blessed,
Oh, I'm blessed,
I'm blessed, I'm blessed. Fuck the front line and taking fucking no stress. I'm blessed, I'm blessed, I'm blessed, I'm blessed, and I have faith in myself that someday I'm gonna be the best.
Oh, really? Yes, of course,
So
bro.
Nah, elevating, moving, I'm in class 10. Met a girl, get my love 24/7. Mesmerized with the smile and the voice, but didn't know body had a dark noise. 2 years later, she left me all alone. I get my own, now I'm hurt to my bone. I was sad, my living body dies. Later in my veins, trying to forget her eyes. But it's too bad, promise myself that I'm gonna so hot I can't live alone, even if you're gone. So I started walking on the road BM, lost in the clock from M to PM. There be happy, cause I'm a rapper, I'm loving this art. Now you wanna come back, cause I'm up on the screen, never hope for that. Cause the light is never gonna be green. I'm blessed, I'm blessed, I'm blessed, I'm blessed, I'm blessed, I'm blessed. Fuck the front line and taking no stress. I'm blessed, I'm blessed, I'm blessed, I'm blessed, and I have faith in myself that someday I'm gonna be the best.
Someday he gonna be the best? Yes, of course, bro. That was no doubt. You are so blessed and you will be the best. Oh my goodness. You know, guys, in his lyrics, guys, someday he gonna be the best. But you know, bro, not someday, but today you're gonna be the best ever hip-hop singer, bro. That was no doubt, bro. I'm absolutely yes for you. You are the best Manipur hip hop singer, bro. There's a lot of hip hop singer there, and you know you are the one my favorite singer or hip hop singer, bro. Alright, so you are so blessed, JKR. Bro, just keep it up your career, guy, bro. And I know someday, bro, not only in India, but you know, bro, I'm praying that someday you will perform in other country. That's only my my dreams for you, bro. And that was absolutely amazing performance that you performed today. And bro, just continue to motivate your young brothers and sisters in your state to become like you someday, bro. And I hope you will do that for me. Okay? So guys, I hope you enjoy this performance of our famous hip-hop singer JKR. By the way, guys, if you know the meaning of JKR, just tell me in the comment section, guys, because I'm so curious what's the meaning of this name of our, you know, our famous hip-hop singer JKR. Alright, guys, so if you like this reaction of video, guys, just give this a lot of thumbs up, guys, and please don't forget to like and share. And of course, guys, for those new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for more latest update on my channel. Alright, so thank you so much, guys. Until the next reaction of video, see you there. I love you all and God bless you. Bye!